What if you could make your first $100 online using tools that don't cost you a single dollar? No paid subscriptions, no expensive courses, no experience needed. Just you, a free AI tool, and about an hour of your time. I'm not talking about some complicated side hustle either. This is something a complete beginner can start today. Let's dive right in and begin. Here's the truth most make money with AI videos won't tell you. The money isn't in the AI tool itself. The money is in the product the AI helps you create. So instead of giving you 10 vague ideas, I'm going to show you one method, start to finish, using only free tools. You make a simple digital product, you sell it on a free platform, and you keep nearly all the profit. The product we're making today, a digital download, something like a Notion template, a printable planner, or a small ebook. Something you create once and sell again and again. That's the whole secret. Small improvements every day can make a huge difference over time. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, completely free to use. The biggest beginner mistake is making something nobody asked for. So here's a shortcut. Ask ChatGPT to tell you what people are already buying. Open ChatGPT and type something like this. What digital products are people most likely to buy right now for under $10? You'll get a list: planners, budget trackers, resume templates, meal prep guides. Pick the one that matches something you already know or enjoy. If you love organizing, do a planner. If you're into fitness, do a meal plan. Don't overthink it, just choose one. Now, you don't have to design anything from scratch. Ask ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. Type, create a one-page daily planner template. Create a one-page daily planner template I can sell as a PDF. Make it clean and simple. It'll give you the structure, the sections, even the wording. Then you open a free tool like Canva, paste it in, and make it look nice. No design skills needed. Canva has free templates you just drop your content into. Here's the part beginners skip. Make it feel finished. Add a nice title, your name or brand, maybe a second page as a bonus. A polished product sells for more than a messy one, and this is what separates you from the hundreds of free templates already out there. Now the selling part. Gumroad is free to use. You only pay a small fee when you actually make a sale. You sign up, click New Product. Upload your PDF and set a price. For a simple planner or template, $5 to $10 is a great starting point. Write a short description. 1 or 2 honest sentences is all you need. Add a clean cover image. Canva again. Let me be real with you, because I don't want to sell you a fantasy. You're not going to make $100 tonight, but the math is simple. Sell your template for $10, and you need just 10 sales to hit 100. 10 sales, not 1,000 views, not a viral video. 10 people who find your product useful. And because the product is digital, once it's made, those 10 sales cost you nothing extra in time or money. It keeps earning while you work on your next one. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but how do people actually find my product? That's the next step, and honestly, it deserves its own video. But here's a quick start. Share it in one place you already spend time: a Facebook group, a subreddit, or your own social media. One post. Don't try to be everywhere at once. Just choose one place and start. So here's your challenge for this week. Pick one product, create it with ChatGPT, and list it on Gumroad. That's it. You don't need to master all of this at once, just start with one. Remember, AI isn't replacing people, but people using AI will definitely replace people who don't. The only difference between you and someone already making money online is that they started. Which free AI tool will you try first? Tell me in the comments below. And if this video helped you, subscribe to SheTech Insights for more tech tips and online income ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.